Welcome to 277 South 3rd Street in Lake Mary. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home located just south of Lake Mary Elementary School. Right now it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon. As you can see, it's pretty quiet. Let's take a look around so you can see what the street looks like. And your neighbors. This is one of the best school zones in Seminole County. And let's take a look inside. You go inside. First thing you see, you enter in, is your living area. This unit does have some pretty large windows, so you get a lot of light coming in here. This is your eat-in bar top slash eat-in kitchen. Here's a reverse view of your living area over here. There's, again, you can see how big the windows are in your kitchen. Got stainless steel fridge. Granite for your countertops. There's your range, so you get a good idea of, it's a pretty complete kitchen inside here. Behind your kitchen you have your washer and dryer area. You can see it here. There's your dryer. This side is your entrance to the back. Here is your water heater. And a washer, which is being delivered, is included in the rent for this property. A washing machine will go there. Here's an idea of what your backyard looks like. You share the backyard with the other unit. There's no fence separating the two. But it's a huge backyard in the back there. Let's go back out. Here is your bathroom, just recently renovated. There's your vanity, sink, new toilet. And there's your bathroom. Just step out a little bit so you can see what it looks like. Coming over here, this is 1 bedroom. You can see what the flooring looks like. Nice huge window for a lot of natural light in the backyard. We got ceiling fans going on in the bedrooms. This house does have central air. Here's a look at your closet space. There's your living area again. And here is your other bedroom. You can tell. There's your ceiling fan again, huge window. Here's your closet again. And that's it for this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home in Lake Mary.